us harm. He's our only source of worry. Feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Their little heads so soft and downy, their baby buds all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Item.
Morning, Maureen.
How is the mother to be?
She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I've been better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad when the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature, ducking out of his responsibilities.
How much longer do we have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes, run by that self-satisfied stork.
Oh.
And she said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Oh well, the best thing comes to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring, it's exactly the same.
Oh, we'll think about all the rewards, all those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours,
getting into deep water.
attracting unwanted admirers.
Like
The cat! Why do we put ourselves through it? 'Cause when you hear that dibble-dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble, and watch their maiden voyage out from the bank.
Like champagne corks, she'll see them bobbing,
Accompanied by mother's sobbing,
relief. Thanks be to nature, nobody sang. It's the What a roll, only good for keeping eggshells warm. On the whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg could fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grade of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different. But there's different. And there's different.
Honk!
Bend your knees. No splashing, please.
Sorry.
And steady. Watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign.
That's fishing line.
Fishing line.
Which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high. As if free from all troubles, your back stays nice. my bottoms and bubbles. You keep paddling like the clappers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm.
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're to blame. This duckyard would be so boring if we all looked the same.
It's all yours.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away from me! Go on, all of you! Every day will seem to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you can't just leave me with the four.
You'll manage, Drake. My mind is made up.
But you're wasting your time, love, and you know you are. Besides, it's dangerous to go wandering off beyond the churchyard at this time.
I won't be satisfied until I find the truth. Try to understand, dear. A mother knows.
You better take the phone.
Every moment seems an hour. Every hour lasts a day. Every tear a mother cries, a dream that's washed away. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. He was different. He was different from the rest. Of course, he can't belong with me. I know I should have guessed. He wasn't mine to mother, he wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away, another dream, another mother's tear.